How to maintain and protect your tires. Check your tire pressure monthly. Tires can lose approximately 1 pound per square inch of air, (SI), per month. A tire can lose even more in cold weather climates. So if you rely on your mechanic to check your tire pressure only at oil changes or tire rotations, you could be putting you and your family at risk. Inspect tires regularly, especially before long road trips. At the time you're checking tire pressure or washing your car, do a physical inspection of your tires. Don't be afraid to get down on your hands and knees to do your inspection. Things to look for include cracks, bulges, and objects that may have punctured the tire, such as nails, screws, glass, or stones. If one of these objects punctures the side wall of your tire will need to be replaced. Rotate your tires. In order to maintain even tread wear and to get the maximum life out of your tires, it's recommended that you rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. If you buy a set of tires from your local tire store, they may provide free tire rotation. If they don't, tire rotations are fairly inexpensive. Don't overload your vehicle. Located on the placard on your door frame is information on how much weight your vehicle can safely handle. Overloading a vehicle can also cause tire failure. Don't wait until your tires are on their deathbed to replace. Tires are expensive and not particularly fun to buy, however, driving on your tires past their useful life puts you and your family in danger.